Hello again, Origami Master 909 back again. I thought I'd start saying that because I can actually say that now because I'm back again. Okay, so today this is the second part of the Origami Flexiball. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make, how to put all the pieces together in order to. So you should have made 60 pieces that look like this. Okay, they can be different colours. Mine are different colours. So you want to have 60 of them, and then I'll show you. I'm just going to show you how to put them together. So what you do is you take two of the pieces and you open up this bit, like so, not completely open, and then see this wee folded over bit here. You're going to want to like kind of hook that bit underneath there. So you're going to want to hook that bit underneath there. Okay, so like that, and then fold that bit back down, so it's just kind of sticking out like that. Then fold this bit back over, and then just kind of fold it in the joint bit there. Okay, and then I'll just talk you through it in the next few ones, just so you kind of get the idea of actually what I'm doing. So again, open this part up, and then take this piece, this bit here, it's kind of like a flap, and you're going to want to stick it so this bit's like face down, sort of with the wee hook bit type thing here, and then you're going to want to hook it on to that bit, just hook it underneath that flap, and then flip that down, and then fold that over, and then like kind of bend it at the joint there. Okay, so you're going to do that with 5 of the pieces. So you're going to make one unit. So I've done it with 3 just now. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish the unit. So yeah, you need 5 pieces in the unit. So you just connect all 5 pieces together. And once you have connected all of the 5 bits together, so you'll have them kind of like this. Then you're going to want to connect the 2 ends together, so it's kind of, so they're kind of all attached in like a sort of, it's not a circle, it's kind of like, well, it's a pentagon because there's 5 of them. But anyways, so the last one's a little bit fiddly, but it's the same idea. You're just getting this hook and like putting it underneath that flap that we folded over. If you want an explanation on this, just let me know and I will go through it a little more thoroughly. So then you've got a unit of, you'll have a unit of 5 bits, like that. So so that's one unit, and then you're going to want to make, whoops, that one's come undone. You're going to want to make 12 units, so that's why you need 60 pieces. So you're going to want to make 12 units like this. They can be different colours, it doesn't really matter. So like I said, you're gonna want to make 12. You're gonna want to make 12 units. So in the saying of Blue Peter, here's some I made earlier. Here's all of them. Here's all 12 of the ones that I made. So it's kind of a bit messed up. So I'll get some of them out of the camera shot, and just so that I can do a few of them just now. So just get rid of these ones. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is basically kind of like connecting the pieces together the same way that you lock them together to make one module. So yeah, basically you just stick this bit under here and connect that to there. Now don't like rush ahead, because if you do, what a lot of people do, and I have made the mistake lots of times before because I just get ahead of myself and then just do that, is people connect these 2 bits and then those 2 bits are stuck and you can't move them. You don't want to do that. You just want to connect this joint to here, and then you'll see there's like the one that's adjacent to it, even though this one's come undone again. Give me a second. Okay, so the one that's adjacent to that orange one, and also the one that's adjacent to this yellow one, you're going to want to lock them together so that you've made a sort of square. So you'll see how the flexiball is going to kind of work, because this square will be able to flex. So you'll be able to see how the flexiball is actually gonna work. So and that's all you can really do with 2, and then you just get in. I'll just get this pink one. It's a lovely pink colour, isn't it? And then you're just gonna connect the just make, basically you're just going to be wanting to make squares, pretty much. That's the best way of doing it, I think. That's how I do it. Just make squares. Here again, I'm connecting that orange bit to that pink bit, and then connecting this orange bit to this pink bit, like so. So yeah, you'll just kind of do that, and it'll start to take shape, and then and then you'll see once you've connected a few units together, it's kind of like a jigsaw. You got to sort of figure it out yourself as well, but it is really fiddly, but it does work. If you want me to like kind of go into more depth about this, send me a comment or video response. But I'm just gonna kind of fast forward ahead till I'm almost finished, and then show you how to just kind of do the last few bits. So I'll just show you how to connect a few of them. I'll show you how to connect the last few bits. So here's me in the not so distant future. So I was gonna do the last piece, the last module bit, which is the orange bit, which is, yeah, I was going to do that on camera, but I realised how fiddly it is, and when you're doing it you will realise how fiddly it is as well. You just got to keep working with it until they lock into place, and some of them will pop out as you're doing it, but once you get it all put together they shouldn't pop out. So I'm not going to do it on camera, I'm just going to do it just now. And it's obviously the ball is too big for the camera. I will when I'm like showing you how it works and stuff. I'll make sure the camera's further away. But yeah. So back in a jiffy. So here is what the completed Origami Flexiball would look like. You can kind of like just get the idea of what it does. You can just like fold it up like this. The autofocus on my camera is going all messed up. Forgot to put it to manual, but it doesn't matter. Yeah, it kind of just like folds up like this. And you can also just open it out again into a ball. It does kind of like sag, you know, when it's in the ball. You can just like flatten it, you know. So yeah, it's quite cool. I wouldn't exactly say that this is advanced origami, but it's probably intermediate origami. It's not for the beginner, definitely. It's quite time consuming to make, just making all little individual pieces, and by the end of it you just want to die. Just joking. But it is quite cool. I'd probably say it's worth it making it, because the feeling of actually finishing it, and it looks really cool. So yep. Anyways, thanks for watching and stuff. Go and check out my other channel, RadDog141. That's my main channel. So if you haven't seen that main channel, go and check out that. There's some cool stuff on there as well. So anyways, thanks for watching, and I will see you all next time.